Hello, everyone, and welcome back. How are you today? I hope you are feeling calm, relaxed, and ready to learn English naturally.
Hi, friends. Thank you for joining us again. Today, we will help you boost your listening skills with slow English conversation, and then we will speak faster like real life.
Yes. First, we speak slowly so you can understand every word. Then, we repeat the same conversation faster, just like real daily speech.
And don't forget, you will also do shadowing practice. Repeat after us. This is the best way to improve fluency.
So, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's start learning English naturally. Noah, what do you usually do in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. First, I check my phone, then I drink a glass of water.
That's good. Drinking water in the morning is a healthy habit. Do you exercise?
Yes, but not every day. Sometimes I do light stretching, and sometimes I go for a short walk.
That sounds relaxing. I usually wake up, make tea, and review my daily plan.
Do you plan your whole day?
Yes, planning helps me stay focused and productive.
I agree. When I don't plan my day, I waste a lot of time.
Same here. And after planning, I start my work slowly, step by step.
That's a great routine. Simple habits can make our day better.
Listening tip. Listen carefully to pronunciation and pauses. Notice how we speak clearly, not too fast, not too slow. So, Noah, what do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up around 7, check my phone, and drink some water.
Nice. Do you exercise?
Not every day. Sometimes I stretch or go for a short walk.
That's great. I usually make tea and plan my day.
Planning really helps. Otherwise, I waste time.
Exactly. Then I start my work slowly and focus step by step.
Simple routines really improve productivity.
I usually wake up early in the morning.
First, I drink a glass of water.
Then I plan my day carefully.
Sometimes I go for a short walk.
Simple habits make life better.
Planning helps me stay focused.
I start my work step by step.
A good routine improves productivity.
I try to stay consistent every day.
Small actions create big results.
So, Noah, do you think daily English practice really works?
Absolutely. Even 10 minutes a day improves listening and speaking.
Yes, consistency is more important than perfection.
Exactly. Don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today.
Mistakes are part of learning.
And confidence grows with practice.
Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need daily practice and patience.
Listen every day, speak every day, and slowly your fluency will grow naturally.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
See you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving your English.